Hampton Bay Remote Control UC7078T with reverse and Hampton Bay logo. This is not universal. This is a replacement for UC7078T only. This is not a set. This is for the handheld remote only. Brand new genuine Hampton Bay with logo with UC7078T stamped on the back. Wall mount included. 9V battery not included. Ceiling fan remote control kit. Small size universal ceiling fans light remote. Fan remote control kit small. If your fan's mounting bonnet is not so large, please choose this fan remote kit. But if it is smile line fan, you still need to check the dimension of receiver carefully before order to make sure there is enough space in the canopy. Universal ceiling fan remote control kit 3-in-1. Ceiling fan light timing speed remote. Easy installation. Installation of the universal ceiling fan remote controls kit is a breeze and the looks of the remote are second to none. No need to take off the light kit and blades. Only 5-wire hookup. All we need to do is loosen the collar at the ceiling, let it slide down to reveal the wires and access into the electrical can. 2 wires out of the ceiling connect the remote to electricity, and 3 wires into the fan control the fan. Smart Wi-Fi fan switch ceiling fan and light remote control kit. Universal remote for ceiling fan with light. Simply adds this smart fan controller to your ceiling fan to have it Wi-Fi enabled and remote controllable. Change your fan speed or turn on/off light from anywhere with your smartphone or included RF remote batteries not included. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. With Smart Life app, the Wi-Fi fan controller is easy to pair with the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Just give voice command and enjoy hands-free control over your home. Home Decorators Collection Remote Control UC7225T 7225 by MFP. Requires 2 AA batteries not included. Universal Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. Replacement for Harbor Breeze. Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit. This universal ceiling fan remote controller is designed to separately control your ceiling fan speed and light brightness. There are 4 buttons, HI, Med, Low, OFF to control the speed of the fan and off. The light button will control the light brightness, dimmer and on/off. Not has reverse button, but compatible the fans that has reverse switch itself. Warmaplanet flush mount ceiling fan with lights remote control 52-inch. All remote control fan and light are controlled by the remote control, which is all listed. Hold the button down on the remote to change the brightness. Dimmable LED light. LED ceiling fan is dimmable. Power of light is 22 W. Color temperature is 3000 K. Silent reversible motor ceiling fan with remote has reverse airflow function, which can change the direction of the fan seasonally to obtain a cooling effect in summer and warm air distribution in winter. Noise of the fan is less than 50 dB. Universal ceiling fan remote control and receiver kit. Replacement for Hampton Bay. Universal ceiling fan remote control kit. This universal ceiling fan remote control kit works most 110V3 speed AC ceiling fans, compatible with Hampton Bay, HunterHarbor, Breeze, Home Decorators Collection, Honeywell, and other brands. Suitable for upgrade ceiling fans. Hampton 2-pack fan remote control kit. Small size receiver ceiling fan remote control for HunterHarbor, BreezeWestinghouseHoneywellOther ceiling fan. Hampton small size. Super small size. And timer. You just need very small space to install the receiver unit into most fan canopy. However, please also check the dimension of receiver carefully to make sure there is enough space in the canopy of your fan, although the receiver is really small size. Timer buttons can set the sleep time from 1 to 8 hours. Universal Smart Wi-Fi Ceiling Fan Remote Control Kit compatible with Alexa. No dimming function. This universal ceiling fan remote is designed to be no buzzer noise so as not to affect others, only control by turn-on/OFF. Wi-Fi voice control and app support compatible for Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. IFT can voice control ceiling fan light. App support ceiling fan remote control and receiver for iOS and Android mobile apps. Sync status. Real-time device status provided to the app. Download and open Smart Life mobile app. Note, when you choose the router connected to the mobile app, please select the 2.4G network. Don't choose 5G or 5.8G network. Otherwise, the device may not be able to connect to the app.